Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? As you can see, I'm out and about. I've got my mask on. I am at the bank. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 money orders. As you can see, I haven't even signed them, right? This is a total of $2,400. I can't show you the other side because it has routing numbers on it. But this is from the postcard programs from WTM Pub, guys, okay? So it just shows you what's possible, okay? That's what I'm showing you. These are my results from the work that I put in. You can do the same. Postcard marketing, guys. We've got a cash cow. You make $100. We've got the tycoon. You make $300. We've got profit max formula. You make $500. And we have Supreme Profit System, $1,000 commissions. Okay, so those programs work. Postcard marketing, I can show you the resources that I have for this, and I've got some great training for you guys if you want to do this online too. Okay, so this is what's possible with direct mail. All right, so I'm gonna put the links below for all those programs. Go check them out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Look forward to working with you guys. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day. See you on the next video.